Hello fellow nerds, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Nothing Ear 3. And I bought these using my own money, so I can be completely honest with you. I ordered them probably like a week ago and took about 5 days for shipping. And really quick, I did want to show something on the box. I do like how they have this life cycle carbon footprint, 2.87 kilograms of CO2. I mean, I have no idea what that means, but at least it's a start. Nice packaging. I got the white ones. Oh, and they're actually smaller than I thought they'd be. So let's see what is in here. Nice recyclable package. There's a quick start guide. Oh, nice. Lots of languages. And a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. And this is actually pretty cool. It's nice and square with the Nothing logo on it. Kind of short, but there's nothing wrong with being short. And then let's see what else is in here. Let's see, maybe ear tips? Nice. Okay, so you got small, extra small, and large. They are silicone. And I'm assuming there's medium in the box. Cool, so let's peel this guy off. Okay, and they do look very premium. Little talk button is metal. I like how the bottom's see-through as well. Definitely feels like, I mean, kind of sharp, you know, comparatively to something like Pixel Buds or AirPods. But one of the reasons I liked them is for their design, because it's different. So, you know, before I try it, I'm not going to knock it. I'm going to try to get them plugged in and try to give like a really quick first impression in this video. Ooh, okay, so it is magnetic. So the video cut out for a second, and it's actually because they were trying to connect to my Pixel, which I'm using to record. So I'm going to turn off the Bluetooth on this phone, and I will try to connect them to my Fold 7. So let's see if they try to connect automatically. Nice. So I believe this is Google Quick Connect. Let's get them connected. Super painless. No, I didn't even have to hold the pairing button. Okay, so we'll download the app. And the popcorn, that's a notification thing I was playing around with the phone. I don't think it's related to the earbuds. And they have a nice like heft weight to them. Sure. Okay, introducing SuperMic. That's actually one of the reasons I bought them, is because of this SuperMic. You're supposed to be able to like hold this down and talk into the microphone to get a better experience. Cut through background noise. Using it, you press and hold. Release the button to return. Double press to hold it for longer. Okay, when not in a call, use the talk button to activate the voice assistant. Okay, so hopefully it works with Google Gemini. Okay, so we will update it. And from what I've been seeing from Nothing, I'm actually tempted to try out their phones. Let's take a quicker look at these. So I mean, for the price, I'm pretty surprised. These are $179. And I was thinking, you know, that's comparable with the Samsung Buds 3 Pro. I went to look up the price today, and these are only $10 more expensive on sale right now. So I think, at least for me, this is going to be the main competition. I have some AirPods Pro 3 on the way that I'm going to be comparing to. I'm going to be comparing all of them kind of from like a not audiophile perspective. I see so many of these reviews that are like from an audiophile, and I'm like, I just want a good pair of headphones. I want them to be convenient. I want them to have decent features, and I want them to not disconnect. And I want to be able to find them using either Find My app or Samsung Find, whatever it is. I just want to be able to find my headphones and listen to them, and for them to be convenient and the ANC to work. So if you're interested in that, I will be posting a video soon reviewing quite a few headphones from a completely unsponsored point of view. Oh, and look, so let's look at these closely. I like that the one on the right has red. You have ear 3 written right here. I like how smooth this is. I mean, out of all the earbuds I own, this is definitely the best looking in my opinion, especially with this clear. Oh, that's so cool. And I really do like memory foam ear tips, so I probably will be looking for some for these guys. I'll just pop this in my ear really quick. Oh, wow. I mean, it's pretty comfortable. Okay, so already off the bat, one thing I like is this sits away from your ear. So you don't have like this touching or kind of digging into your ear. So I can already tell that I'm going to like the way they fit in my ear. So I'm going to pause until this update finishes, and we will hop back in to finish the unboxing and first impression of the Nothing Ear 3. Okay, so that was actually user error. While it was doing the update, I should have had them in the case. Luckily, there were no issues. But while I was playing with them, or while it was doing the, while I was figuring that out, I had a listen, and they sound very, very good. They're very comfortable as well. So besides, the case being a little bit bigger and maybe, I don't know, a little more square than I'd like, these are pretty amazing. And at least from a very first impressions, they feel more premium than the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And they sound as good. I didn't try the ANC at all, but they sound bassy and punchy, and it's nothing like so incredible, but it definitely sounds better than the Pixel Buds Pro 2. So far, I'm very excited with these Nothing Ears. If I was just going to be buying a pair of headphones right now, I'd say the Samsung Buds Pro 3 are a top runner. I know these are good. These are very close second, but it's mostly because I just don't know what they offer. I think they look a lot better. So these two are very, very close. And I like my Pixel Buds, but there's some issues with them. They just don't sound as good. And just first off, I don't think they sound as good as the Nothing already. So I will do a very much more detailed review. But for now, I think these are real contenders. To finish off the first impressions, let's just take a look at the app. And let's see what the Nothing app looks like. And we will call it there. I'll spend some time with these and give a more detailed review / comparison once I've had like a week or two with these earbuds. I don't want to, say that I love them yet or that I hate them before actually trying them, but I am very excited. I mean, these feel super premium. So let's just take a peek at the app. I do like that they connected super quickly. And I do like that it seems like they're going to play nice with a lot of different devices. Okay. So you get the charging case and you get the battery percentage of each earphone. They came completely fully charged, which is pretty rare nowadays. I like that it actually matches some of my other headphones. You get like a different color on there. It looks like you can choose noise canceling, transparency. This is something that I was really hoping they would do. So, like for example, a lot of my other earbuds, like the Galaxy Buds Pro 3 and the Pixel Buds 2, they don't have where you can choose the level of noise cancellation. So I think that's really awesome. Spatial audio, SuperMic. So I was listening without the bass enhanced and it was already pretty bassy. So I'm very excited to try that out a little more. Okay, so let's just... Awesome. So there's going to be a lot... We won't look at that yet. Wow, okay. Yeah, so it looks like there is a lot to dive into here. I really like the way it looks as well. It seems like they do a really good job with their software and their design. Has dual connection. Oh, really cool. I'm very, very excited for these earbuds. Let's just look through the settings. We'll take one last look at it and we'll call it there. They do have LDAC, in-ear detection, and you can do a fit test. Let's see what Find My Earbuds. I'm assuming it's through Google. Oh, wow. Okay, let's try it out. We have them here. Why not? Holding it up to the mic. RandoTechNerd, jumping back into the review really quick about the Google Find My. It looks like they automatically jump into it, but they don't have the find feature. So I'm assuming that you can't, nothing earbuds aren't pinging off of other devices. I will go into more details about it, but at least it's nice that you do have it in the Find My app. It looks like it's limited functionality. Like once you click in there, it doesn't allow you to locate via Bluetooth through the app, but you can do that through the Nothing app. So I just wanted to share that. That's at least a little bit of functionality, which is nice. So pretty cool. I will do some more tests, seeing like if you can find the charging case. It does sound like you'd be able to hear that, like if there isn't a couch cushion or something. And I do hope they have Find My integrated with Google, but I will look more into that soon. Let's take a last look at it. If you guys are into tech and 3D printing, consider subscribing. I like to give completely honest tech reviews. I don't plan on trading my opinions for money, so I will give my honest opinion every chance I get. And I mean, I usually end up liking products, but if I didn't or there was a concern, I'd definitely be honest about it. I really do like the way these feel in my ear already. So thank you so much for watching. I'm super excited that these are out now and that I can actually have some competition with the Buds 3 Pro, with the Apple AirPods 3 Pro too. I think there's some really great headphones, so I'm excited to actually fully compare all three of them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, and if you're interested, I have a Discord. We talk about 3D printing. I'll leave a link down below. And if you enjoyed this video, drop a like. That'll really help get my video out to more people. Just really quick, they sound really good. Yeah, I mean, they sound really, really good. There's a couple downsides I already can tell, but these are the best sounding headphones. I might be an audiophile now. They sound really, really good.